What's up guys? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove and replace a laptop screen. So I'll be using this Packet Bell laptop. So for tools, you need a card like this. You can use a bank card and you also need a screwdriver. Okay, so let's go into the details. So the first thing that you do is you take your bank card or the card like this and then you just go here. There are pins. So you just go in so that you can fit your fingers inside. And then now you just pull like this. It will come out nicely. So you just go right round. And then this guy now is out. So you see now this is the cover. So that is how you remove it. So all you need is a card like this. Just do it gently so that you don't do any damages. Alright, so this is done. And then now the next step is to take our screwdriver. So as you can see here, we have screws here on all the corners. So that's where the screwdriver comes into play. So I'll take my screwdriver and then you remove it gently because there are cables at the back. Move it gently. Alright, and then as you can see there is a cable that is attached here, and then this cable goes to the webcam. So usually it will be stuck here, but you just remove it gently. And then now we go to the bottom parts, and then there will be a plastic on top here. So you remove it gently. You remove it gently. On this one, don't rush because there are pins there. You might damage the pins. And then from there, as you can see that there are pins there. So you just gently pull like this. And then now your screen has been removed. So this is a laptop screen. That's the one that we have removed. So putting it back now, all you have to do is you have to do all the steps that we did before, but now in reverse. So the first thing is to align the pins. So you come here and do it gently because you might destroy the pins. So you align them using this plastic here. Just be careful because you might damage the pins. You do it carefully. And then once they are in now, you slightly push so that the pins can now go inside. And then from there now you just put this tape back so that our pins will stay in place. All right, and then once the pins are in place now, you gently place it, aligning it with the points where the screws will be. You align it first before putting any screws. And then from there now you take your screws. So the first screw will go here. And then the second one. And then from there now we tighten the screws. We tighten all the screws. And then this one as well. Alrighty, then now that our screws are in place, we put back that cover that we removed at first. So all these cables should be aligned. There is a groove where all these cables go into. So you just make sure that all these cables are in the groove so that the cover will come in nicely. Alright, now putting back our cover now. So you start from the bottom here. You just place it like this. And then from there now, you just press it so that the pins can hook in back. It has to be aligned. Then you just do it gently. And as you can see, our screen is back in place. Our screen is back in place. So this is how to remove and replace a laptop screen.